Welcome back to our channel. Cooking the perfect rice can be a challenge: too sticky, too dry, or just not quite right. But what if your rice cooker could think for you? Meet the Zojirushi Micom rice cooker and warmer, a smart kitchen companion designed to cook your rice to perfection every single time. Whether it's sushi rice, brown rice, or even porridge, this little powerhouse handles it all effortlessly. Micom Technology, this rice cooker, short for Micro Computerized Fuzzy Logic. This smart system automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature for perfect rice, no matter the type or quantity. It literally thinks for you, ensuring consistent, fluffy, and flavorful results every time. Everything from menu selection to cooking progress is clearly shown, making it simple for anyone to use, even first-timers. Multiple cooking functions. This rice cooker isn't just a rice cooker, it's a versatile meal companion. With multiple menu settings including white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, mixed rice, porridge, and even cake, you can prepare a wide variety of meals effortlessly. Keep warm extended warm function. Tired of cold or dried out rice? The keep warm and extended keep warm functions maintain your rice at the ideal serving temperature for hours while keeping it moist and delicious. Perfect for family dinners or busy schedules. Control your cooking easily with the large LCD display and intuitive control panel. Non-stick inner cooking pan. Say goodbye to sticking and scrubbing. In this rice cooker, the non-stick inner cooking pan ensures even heat distribution and makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, the durable coating means it's built to last for years of daily use. Sleek compact design. With its sleek modern design and compact size, the Zojirushi Micom fits beautifully in any kitchen setup. It's the perfect combination of Japanese craftsmanship and modern practicality. Delay timer. Want hot rice ready the moment you get home? The delay timer lets you schedule your meal in advance. Just set the timer, add your ingredients, and let Zojirushi handle the rest. The Zojirushi Micom rice cooker and warmer isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a tool for culinary perfection. Whether you're cooking daily family meals or exploring Asian cuisines, it ensures every serving of rice comes out just right. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.